I don't think they want to vlog, guys, which is fine. They don't want to. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Jokes lang. We're not that kind of vlog, guys. But I am Kuya Kurt. Welcome to my vlog. So I'm here in Barangay Pinagsama. I am lakad-lakad with my Crocs on. I am what's up, guys? I am as always, guys, I'm still a little under the weather. Hey, musta? It's so funny everywhere I turn, even when I don't have my camera out now, if I'm just in the barangay walking around, people just assume I'm a vlogger. So you always hear side conversations of people going, "Oy, vlogger, vlogger." Because here in the Philippines, there's no such thing as a YouTuber or a TikToker. If you have a camera, if you're on social media, you're a vlogger. Ikaw, vlogger ka? Ay, wala. Dapat magba-vlog ka. Ha? Meron, may cellphone ka? Ay, dapat meron. Ang sipag nyo, kahit maaga pa. Gusto nyo mong shoutout? Shoutout sa mga pogi. And so here we are in beautiful Pinagsama, where everyone is so nice. That dude's driving with just one hand, and in the other hand he's got something to drink. Oh, we got a barber shop here. If I was here for longer, because nagpagupit ako bagong dumating ako dito sa Pilipinas. But if I was staying for like another extra week, I'd get myself a nice haircut here. But I'm just looking for something to eat, guys, something quick and simple. And hopefully we can bless people with a nice big tip for their delicious food. Oh, here we go. Lugaw at Pares. Good morning! Okay kung nagba-vlog ako? Okay ba kung nagba-vlog ako? Magaling ka ba kayo mag-Tagalog? Ako rin. Sa inyo po ito? Ay, galing. Ay, sa inyo lahat. Magkakapatid ka kayo? Ay, kamag-anak. Ay, galing. Kamusta? Uy. Food vlogger ako. At nagtataka lang ako kung pwede kong subukan yung ulam nyo at i-review sa vlog. Okay ba yun? Kung ayaw nyo, okay rin. They don't want to. I don't think they want to vlog, guys, which is fine. Maganda yun, kung bago pa lang, kung i-feature ko kayo sa channel, i-share ko sa mga follower. Kahit ako lang sa harap ng camera, okay yun. Kung ayaw nyong sa harap ako. Kung gusto nyong titiyakin yung ko, ito ang channel ko. Sa Facebook, YouTube, lahat. Kasi pagkain pang Pinoy yung talagang mga vina-vlog ko. Kaya lumalakad-lakad lang ako sa barangay, naghahanap ng mga masarap na kalenderya. Yan yung ginagawa ko. Pero kung ayaw nyo, okay rin yun. Oh, sige, okay, walang problema. Oh, sige, walang problema. See, guys, and that's why I always ask if it's okay to vlog. Which I thought they would have. I thought they would have liked to be on the vlog because she said they're just new. I said that's great. Let's give you a try, but you know that's fine. Not everybody wants to be on camera, which is totally cool. Sometimes I don't even want to be on camera, guys. So maybe we'll try to find another calenderia up here. Here we go. Nori's Eatery. Good morning.
Hey, what's up there?
Are you guys open?
Yes, open.
You're the owner? Is this the owner? Who's the owner?
Over there. Over there.
Wait.
The owner's over there?
Come here now. Where's the owner? Blogger.
Food vlogger ako.
Food vlogger daw si
Food.
boss.
Is that right? Food vlogger ako?
Food vlogger ka, yeah.
If you guys want to see the channel, I have ito yung sticker.
Yung galing Tagalog.
I speak Tagalog. You speak Tagalog. Ay, ito po yung may-ari.
Tagalog lang.
Magaling ba kayo mag-Tagalog? Tagalog na lang tayo. Ay, kamusta? Nakikita mo ako? Nakakahiya, no? Ayoko na! Yan yung sabi ni ate, food vlogger ako ng pagkain pang Pinoy. At yung ginagawa ko is lumalakad-lakad ako sa barangay tapos naghahanap ng masarap na karinderya. Nagtataka lang ako kung pwede kong subukan ng ilang mga ulam nyo at saka i-review sa camera. Okay ba yun? Bukas ba kayo ngayon? Bukas. So kayo po yung may-ari? Tapos ito po yung mag-asawa kayo? At tapos kamag-anak kayo? Ay, galing! Ang gwapo ng family nyo. Bale, ano pa ba yung mga pinaka-bestseller nyo dito?
Munggo.
Ay, monggo! Ano ba yung mga sangkap ng monggo?
Giniling.
Anong giniling? Di ko alam yun.
Baboy.
Baboy yun. Ay, baboy.
Giniling na baboy.
Giniling
Na baboy.
na baboy.
Tapos chicharong baboy.
Ay, chicharon baboy!
Yes.
Pang ano yan? Pang almusal? Or kahit kailan pwedeng kainin?
Yan, kahit
Pang tanghali yan. Meron, ano pa ang meron nyo dito? May adobo,
adobo, may dinuguan.
dinuguan,
Bicol.
ano ay Bicol? Bicol or Bicol Express?
Bicol Express.
Ano ba yung kaibahan sa Bicol at saka Bicol Express?
Isa lang po.
Same lang, akala ko yung kaibahan is mas mabilis yung isa. Di ba? Kasi express yun. Jokes lang. Tapos ano pa? May menudo?
Wala pa, di pa naluto.
Ay, wow! Ano po ito? Gatang...
Gata, ginatang puso ng saging.
Wow! Parang maanghang yun. So ito po yung head chef. Wow, si tatay. Saan galing yung mga recipe nyo? Ha?
Hula-hula lang.
Head chef ito, hindi niya alam kung saan galing yung mga recipe. Parang family secret talaga. Siguro ano po ba yung suggestion nyo, yung i-recommend nyo na susubukan kong ulam? What should I try?
Ikaw, anong gusto mo?
Ano po ito?
Adobo.
Adobong baboy.
Baboy.
Pwede kong subukan kalahating order ng adobong baboy. Tapos kalahating order ng, anong tawag ito?
Puso ng saging.
Uso na saging. Ito yung banana heart. Ay, okay. At tapos, siguro isang takal ng kanin. Pwede ba yun?
Pwede.
Tapos, ano pa ba yung inumin nyo? Pwede akong pumasok? At tsaka, oh, sige. Ay, kawawa naman kayo. Wow. Gano'ng katagal nandito kayo sa lugar na ito? Tagal na. Mga ilang taon? Maraming taon?
22 years.
22 years! Wow! Establishment talaga kayo dito sa Pinagsama. Wow, galing.
Galing kasi yung kuwan, tagaluto.
Magaling yung kwan, yung bagay. Yung kwan na ano.
Galing yung kokor.
Tapos pwede kong kunin isang tubig?
Sure.
Sure. Ang galing ni ate mag-English, no?
Speak English din.
Pwede.
Gusto niyo mag-English na lang?
Manhirapan po kami.
Ay, thank you.
Dugo ang ilog. Sige na.
Ako, nag-nosebleed ako sa Tagalog. Ay, wow, guys. So, we've got our isang takal ng kanin here. Tapos yung pangalan ng karinderya nyo, anong pangalan? Norris Eatery sa kalsadang, anong kalsadang ito?
Birik Street.
Birik Street.
Birik.
Birik Street sa Pinagsama,
Taguig City pala.
Taguig City, Manila, Philippines, Earth.
Yes.
Tama yun. Buong address yun. So guys, we got the adobong baboy. Masarap. Ay wow. Tapos isa pang beses, ito ang tawag
Gulay na puso ng saging.
Gulay na puso ng saging. This is banana heart. Ano yung mga sangkap nito?
Isdang tuyo na bahita.
Isdang tuyo na...
Labahita.
Anong labahita?
Yung puro laman na isda.
Ay, oh talaga?
Kinain.
Ay, meron, pati yung mga, anong tawag ito, buto? Yung mga, anong tawag yun?
Meron ba sampol yan?
Anong tawag ito sa, yung buto ng ista? Anong tawag? Yung bone.
Binig.
Tinig ng ista. So, basta lahat ng ista, nandyan. Tapos may puso ng saging. Ay, okay. At tapos may sabaw.
Sabaw.
So, we got some sabaw, guys. Masarap ito.
Sarap.
Tapos si Tata yung talagang head chef para sa lahat.
Siya na yung head chef, siya pa yung may-ari.
Siya yung may-ari. Tapos sino ka? Paano ka? Paano ka?
Kumar lang po.
Ay,
Ito po kumakain kasi masarap.
oo nga.
Kaibigan.
Masarap. Kaibigan ito.
Kaibigan.
Saan galing yung yung inspiration para sa kalendaryo niyo? Kamag-anak kayo? Kaibigan lang. Kaibigan.
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 Bossing.
Bossing.
Yes.
Ito yung bossing.
Kaibigan.
Bossing.
Yes.
So guys, we're gonna try. So they've been here for 20 plus years, sabi niya.
Ayaw niya.
20 years. So we're gonna try the adobong baboy. Okay, kung in-English ko yung camera para hindi ako dumudugo sa ilong. Pork adobo, gata ng puso ng usong ng saging. Uso ng saging, banana heart, guys. And then this feels really good on my throat, actually. That is masarap. And guys, I'm very excited because we're actually gonna surprise yung mag-asawa because they're so masipag. We're gonna surprise them with a big tip, courtesy of our sponsor of today's video, Tap Tap Send, guys. We're so excited. So stick around. Especially for an establishment that's been here for 20 plus years, that they're like an established part of the community. We really want to show support for people like this. And maybe if we can get Nanay and Tatay back here to... Ay, meron pa! Ay!
Kepre.
Ano po ito?
Munggo.
Ito yung munggo. Ay, okay guys. So we're gonna try the munggo as well. Hello! Nagulat ito!
Nagulat siya.
Kahit atako
Ano
So-
daw kung pangalan? Mayroon pa rin sticker niya.
So we got the munggo. We've got the banana heart.
Court.
Ako yun!
Si Tagalog court. Sige.
Kasi nagtatagalog ako tapos yung pangalan ko is Kurt.
Okay.
Hindi masyadong imaginative yung pangalan ko, kaya yun lang, Tagalog Kurt. And then the adobong baboy, guys. So let's give this a try. Let's try with the let's try the mango first. It's nice and warm, so that'll probably feel really good. Let's put a little bit on here. Get some of this. I'm actually not really sure, guys, what this is, so your guess is as good as mine. Oh, chicharron. This is chicharron. So this is the mungo. It looks like it's got mungo beans. Let's get a little sneak peek in here. Looks like it's got mungo beans. They said it's got some chicharron as well. So let's give this a try. May lasa siyang mungo. Di ba? Pero masarap.
Boy.
So it's like you take chicharron, like you guys know what chicharron tastes like. So let's try this adobong baboy, which is absolutely one of my favorite ulams. Get some sabaw here. Give this a try. Guys, this is really good. The banana heart, the heart of the saging, that was actually very good. It got a little spice to it, a little bit of a kick. So ate, makano po ba yung bawat ulam para sa mga viewers ko, para alamin nila?
Ang katulad niyang adobong baboy, 70 ang isang order.
70 yung isang order.
Opo. Yung munggo namin, ang isang order is 30 pesos.
Ay, 30 pesos lang?
Yes.
Wow!
Tapos, itong puso, 35 pesos.
35 pesos. Tapos,
May gata.
tapos may sabaw.
Sabaw free.
Free yun. Tapos yung isang takal ng kanin.
12 pesos.
12 pesos. Tapos bote ng tubig.
15.
15. So lahat-lahat, makano yung isang meal ganito para sa akin?
Half.
Half. So makano sa total? Yung
So,
buo?
Ito, free.
Hindi na. Babayad ako.
Babae.
Siyempre, kasi gusto kong i-support yung mga local na business.
Okay. Halimbawa, ito. 40. Di ba half lang?
40.
Plus 30.
Plus 30.
Plus 35.
Plus 35.
Half lang. 20, sorry.
Ay, 20.
20. Tsaka 15.
Plus 15. Tapos yung
12.
plus 12. So guys, for 117 pesos, you get a meal like this Tapos, mabait talaga yung mga empleyado dito. So, pwede akong magbayad dito?
Pwede po.
Pwede? Sino ang bahala sa cash?
Bossing.
Bossing, nandyan. Nanay, pwede akong magbayad?
Pwede, matanda.
So, sabi niya 117, pero may konting sorpresa ako para sa inyo.
Oh, wow!
Handa na kayo. Meron kaming, so 117, teka lang, teka.
Yan, kaharap kasi.
Teka lang, may 100, tapos, teka lang, tapos may isang sticker, tapos may 20 pesos, may konting tip dyan para sa inyo. Tapos, meron akong isang sponsor ng video na ito, isang remittance app, ang tawag TapTapSend. Gusto nilang mag-support ng mga local business, kaya binigyan nila sa akin, para sa inyo, isang konting tip ng 1,000 piso. Tapos may isa pang 1,000, galing sa TapTapSend yun. Tapos may isa pa. Tapos may isa pa. At tapos may isa pa. So ito yung tip para sa mga karinderya staff, para sa may-ari, dahil masipag kayo at gusto nilang yung TapTapSend, gusto nila kayong sasaportahin bilang small business. So sa inyong lahat ito na pwede nyong gamitin kahit paano.
Maraming salamat.
Ayun. Thank you, ah. Sige guys, meron yung gustong sabihin sa camera bago tatapusin natin yung vlog?
Maraming salamat po sa vlogger nga nagpunta dito, si
Tagalog Kurt.
Tagalog Girl.
So, guys, punta kayo dito sa karinderya ni ate at sa anong tawag ng kalsadang ito isa pang beses? Ha?
Bereti Street. Bereti Street.
Beric Street sa barangay Pinagsama, Taguig, Manila, Philippines, Earth. Buong address. So okay guys, thank you sa pagsama nyo dito sa vlog ko. Punta kayo dito para subukan nyo yung masasarap na pagkain ni ate at saka yung kamag-anak niya. May gusto nyong sabihin sa camera? Anong gusto nyong sabihin?
Hello guys! Maraming salamat po!
Ang galing ni ate mag-English.
Nakarating din po dito sa palar po sa kantin ni Nori.
Ayun.
Maraming pong salamat po.
Ayun, galing. Parang magiging GMA artist ito. See you guys, thank you hanggang sa susunod. Ako si Kuya Kurt. Mag-ingat kayo. Kita kids. Whew, guys. It was so awesome. After Nanay was a little confused. As you could see, maybe my Tagalog wasn't so great, but after we turned off the camera and I explained to her where the tip was coming from with TapTapSend sponsorship, she got a little teary-eyed and she was very, very appreciative. She said that it couldn't have come at a better time with their little family-owned business that they've had for 20 plus years with all the ups and downs with COVID. So I'm glad that we were able to bless Nanay. If you guys can go visit her here in Pinagsama, please do. As always, I want to thank TapTapSend, our sponsor. They have given so much to local business owners here in the Philippines. And they saw the content that I was making, visiting carinderias, shouting out local businesses. And they reached out and they said, "We love what you're doing. How can we help?" I said, "Give me some money to give to local businesses." And they said, "Yes, let's do it." So if you guys have OFWs in your family, anything like that send money anywhere in the world, please give TapTapSend a try. They are fantastic, no fees, competitive rates. And if you use my promo code, Kuya Kurt, hey, what's that? And if you use my promo code, Kuya Kurt, your first transaction, the recipient will get an extra 1,000 pesos or $20. So please show them some love the same way that they've shown my channel some love, and give them a try and let me know how you guys like it. But happy that we're able to share the blessings just a little bit, even if it's not, life-changing money. It's a little something that can help. So hanggang sa susunod guys, nandito ako kasamang Ningning. Ako si Kuya Kurt guys. Mag-ingat kayo, kita kids.